Dear student, class 7, welcome to our um, Greenfield School and College online class. Today I'm going to discuss about chapter 9, Rights of Senior Citizens and Women in Bangladesh. At first, I'll discuss what is rights. Rights are some facilities and opportunities approved by society and state which help the flourishing of citizens. Nobody can realize their full potential without their rights. Rights must have a citizen because without rights, they don't enjoy their life. The chief aim of rights is to facilitate uh, betterment of individual, ensuring proper enjoyment of all rights and flourishing of physical and mental health, social and economic status by citizen is the responsibility of a modern country. Underline it. Rights are primarily refers to human rights. Underline. Actually, rights means another words human rights. You know human rights charter approved by UN in 1948, and lot of rights included the charter. uh, all rights for human beings are written in human rights charter. The United Nations brought out the human rights charter in 1948, and 10 December every year we celebrate the human rights day. Now we will discuss lesson 1, concept of rights of the senior citizen and their rights. People above, who are the senior? People above 60 years are generally known as the aged in Bangladesh. People go to retirement from earning their livelihood at this age. The age for retirement for a government service holder in Bangladesh is 59. It is actually ensured by the government. Uh, what is the age of government service holder? 59. The retirement age for justice has recently been raised to 67 for university professor and some other professionals. Underline professionals to 65. Justice has been raised to 67. In the modern developed countries, people above 60 or 65 are regarded as senior citizens. Who are the senior citizens? They are awarded special honor, privilege and opportunity. The United Nations also has drawn up certain principles to protect the rights of senior citizens. Besides, the same organization has declared a specific day as a senior citizen day in order to create awareness about their rights and responsibility towards them. Look, rights of the senior citizen. Rights that determine the independence of the senior are actually what type of rights they enjoy, and they have to get right to get sufficient food, drinks, shelter, clothes and medical care. But unfortunately in the consistency of our country, we see this type of rights actually can't enjoy our senior citizen. There are many reasons included here. Right to work to earn for themselves, right to decide when to retire from physical labor, right to live in a safe and sound environment according to own will and adaptability. Is it possible, or can I sure can I provide uh, provide properly for their sound environment or place to live the senior citizen? Because in our like our country, developing country, there are many problems, and this complicated life, actually senior citizen cannot live a safe and sound environment uh, for their last breath. uh, right to get suitable education and training, actually they have to get, and they have to right to get suitable education and training, right to live along with family at home. Actually, you know, you are young, then and the last of the age you will be old, then you have to need family, you have to need company of family. So we cannot ignore the senior citizen. Look, right to participate. The rights of participation for the senior citizen are: right to participate actively in various policy making and implementation process. Right to participate in social welfare activity. It is we have to implement it for their betterment, or live healthy, and for their better enjoyment. We can arrange this environment. Right to participate in social welfare activities like gardening, like like involve the social welfare related organization. Say for example, say no drugs, and say no cigarette. This campaign the senior citizen can easily involve. Right to organization and participation in movement. uh, right to care. There are some rights to care for the senior citizen. These are right to care from the family, society, substance, right to medical facility in regard to physical, psychological, emotional health. Actually we have to conscious about the senior citizens health, like they have to right to get medical facility in regard to physical, psychological, because when they grew up older on at the last stage of age, then they want to need and they have to need psychological support, and in multifarious and multidimensional problem are in our country. And in this situation the older citizen mentally upset, and they have some psychological problem, because they when they young they involve in various types of work. When they retired from the job, and he mentally thinks, he retires from the society, he retires from the family, and in this situation they have to need psychological support. Look, right to social and judicial access in order to ensure individuality and sustains and care. Right to live in human and safe condition. Rehabilitation all cares related to social and mental joys. Actually we have to see this person as human, and we have to conscious their safe condition. Right to dignity and reverence and enjoyment of all basic human rights and freedom for those who live in shelter and care for treatment facilities. We have to ensure this right to decision in regards of taking support from the above stated care centers. Apart from these, the senior citizen enjoys some other rights that ensure their flourishing. These are right to full flourishing of their talent, right to access educational, cultural, spiritual, recreational activities. If you arrange this type of educational, cultural uh, program and involve them, they they enjoy it in their heartily and accept it heartily, and they feel better. Right to a beautiful place free from physical and psychological torments. Right to a beautiful place free from physical and psychological torment. Right to good behavior from all irrespective of age, gender, religion and race. Right to good behavior from uh, right to set right to get respect and value for contributing to economy. So they have to write for this. Then I will discuss who are senior citizen and write why they should be respected. At first look, by nature's law, all human beings grow old one day, you know it. And in old age, people face many problems along with physical weakness in society and family. These problems are familiar, economic, cultural, psychological. Some senior citizens are there in all our families or among our relatives. We also find our old people in our neighborhood or meet them while we go out on the street. We must realize their difficulties in moving around. Some are difficult, some are walking problem, some are eyesight problem. We observe when we walking on the street, crossing road, getting on the family and the society. Now in their old age, the society also has some duty and responsibility towards them. We should remember that we will also grow older one day. We have to remember this. We will also grow old one day. Although the physical capability of elderly people reduces due to old age, they can help us by their knowledge and experience. In that respect, they are a resource of society. Like other people of any age, they are vulnerable human resource. Look, one of the research of American socio-economic research expert, they want to say once upon a time American older citizen have to declare older citizens about the older citizens. The government wanted to and their family wanted to shift them in the old house. But in 1981, when HIV occurred then and identified in America 1981 HIV, then the government decided when the parents died from HIV, then who cares their child? Then the government decided these older citizen and these senior citizen will help this problem and beg them from their old house to take care this child. So Actually, at a once upon a time, they are negligible to the society and to the government. Then nowadays, we have to conscious about it, because one day we will also grow old, and so uh, we have to conscious about the senior citizen, their knowledge, and we have to respect their knowledge and experience. In that respect, they are a resource of society like other peoples of any age. They are a valuable human resources. Look, activity 2. What kind of rights to care do the senior citizen enjoy in your family and relatives? Identify them uh, from your own experience. There are some rights of care of senior citizen: right to get sufficient food, drink, shelter, clothes, medical care, right to live in a safe, sound environment according to own will and adaptability, right to along with family, right to care from the family and society's substance, right to medical facility in regard of physical, psychological, and emotional health. So we have to conscious about this. Lesson 2: problems of senior citizen. The problems that senior citizen in our society have to face usually are discussed below. Of familial problem. Once in our country, our families were extended family. At that time, the senior citizen is all in all, we know it, and had a kind of authority or role in their family. But urbanization, industrialization, changes in our economic activities have broken those extended families into small nuclear families. Actually, breaking the joint family, then this place will fill up the small nuclear families. For this reason, seniors respect is decreasing day by day. These new versions have only the father, mother, children, and at best home worker with them. There is no place for the parents or in-laws, or even if there is, they live a subdued life. They are not properly looked after or taken care of during their illness. They don't get company or somebody to talk to. Consequently, they fall prey to loneliness and melancholy. In many a case with working parents, senior citizens have to take care of their children, reach them school, do the shopping, carry out the daily courses. Uh, mm, it is sometimes difficult for them at their age. Sometimes they are even regarded as burden. Economic problems. Senior citizens suffer from financial helpless, uh, helplessness, as they do not have an earning, and their saving and properties are already distributed to inheritors. In a developing country like our country, these person who are working more in their young life, and they when they earn a lot of money, they deposit for her wife, for her children, and distribute to inheritors their property. And the last stage of their age, they are helpless, they are burdened, and our society uh, our society thinking or thinks these people are burden of us. But you look, they are most of the earning they spend their families. They become dependent on their children. They cannot do anything on their own. This situation is more serious in poor and middle class families. The senior citizen become penniless underline, even before they reach old age, as they spend all the money in running family, paying for the education, marriage of children. Sometimes they are also made penniless by natural disaster. Two reasons. Look, first reason, senior citizen spend their all of the money, running family and their child education, their child marriage. And second point, look, there are also made penniless by natural disasters like flood, tidal waves, river erosion. Like the children with their insufficient income or ability cannot come to support their parents in misery. They cannot care for their parents even if they have all the will. Physical problem. People start to lose physical strength as they grew old. Various diseases strike their body. Actually, the senior citizen, when they grow up, grow older, then they have affect the various type of disease and they need a bit of rest and comfort. But most of the elderly people of our country don't get this comfort. They don't even get proper medical facilities in their illness, and they don't have the ability to purchase proper medicine, diet during their illness. This is our common picture in our country. Because their child think they are useless, and this why we spend a lot of money for them, but they don't know these people's these older persons all of the money they spend their child's education, marriage and running the family. Socio-cultural problem. Nowadays the older reverences, respect and importance paid toward the senior citizen and their opinion are no more noticeable in our society. A number of causes like decadence of decadence of social values, lack of moral education, influence of foreign culture, selfish attitude are responsible for this. Families and society tend to show disregard to them. Their opinion are not counted and they are not provided time and company. It is very true, universal true. This is the actual picture of our society. They hardly have any scope for recreation and leisure. Psychological problem. The cornered situation of the aged in family and society generates an inferiority complex in them. They start to feel neglected and helpless. Lack of own support and ability added with physical sickness and loneliness increase their inferiority complex. Loss of money at old age also makes it more complex for them. This is their problem they faced every day in their life. So we have to consult them, we have to respect them, and we have to ensure their betterment, their better life. Thank you very much.